Mary, we need to take your blood today. It's part of the new health check for all staff.
Oh no, I don't like needles, John. I really don't.
I understand. A lot of people feel the same way.
I feel sick just thinking about it.
Look at me. Take a slow breath. In and out.
Okay, like this?
Yes, perfect. Keep looking at me. Don't look at my hands.
Is it going to hurt?
Just a small pinch. It's very quick. Ready?
No, but okay. Do it.
Good. 1, 2, done. All finished.
Wait, that's it?
That's it. You did great, Mary.
I can't believe I was so scared. Thank you, John.
You were very brave. Here is your small bandage. Good job today.
Next time I will be ready. Maybe.
Maybe.